Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start now. Pick a smooth, dry patch of wall and clear dust with a cloth so the adhesive can grip. Once chosen, align the sticky note's top edge at eye level or along your planned grid. This makes reading and removal easier. Peel the pad from its backing, then place only the adhesive strip against the wall and press firmly for 3 to 5 seconds. This initial contact establishes the tack. Make sure the note lies flat, air gaps weaken the hold. Once the first note is secure, continue placing subsequent notes using a consistent spacing so your layout reads cleanly. You can overlap a tiny fraction, about 1/8 of an inch, or butt them edge to form columns or rows. This prevents curling at the edges. For heavier notes or long sequences, add a small piece of removable tape behind a corner to share load. Press along each adhesive edge again for 3 to 5 seconds, and step back to verify alignment and legibility before proceeding. You finish by testing one note for 24 hours. This confirms your surface and technique. If notes still fail, swap to low-tack poster strips or removable double-sided tape. Apply a small strip to the center and press firmly. Make sure to avoid excessive weight on each note. When a corner lifts, remove and replace the adhesive or rotate the note 180 degrees to redistribute stress. Troubleshooting tip: if curling persists, clean the wall again.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.